How to Intersect Objects. Video by Vladimir London, a Life Drawing Academy tutor. Later in this video I will show you how to intersect triangular prisms step by step, but before that I will flip through pages of my sketchbook with constructive drawings that demonstrate intersection of various geometric objects, such as a hexagonal and square pyramid, both standing and reclining, sphere, cylinder, and cone. In the Life Drawing Academy correspondence course, students do various drawing tasks, including how to draw with a pencil the right way, how to use a pencil to measure from life, how to render tonal values, linear and aerial perspective, how to draw contours, how to draw realistic portraits from different points of view, how to draw figures with the full knowledge of anatomy for artists and construction of a human body, how to make figurative compositions, how to depict emotions, and so on. To render tonal values the professional way, an artist must understand the theory of contours. This theory is related to intersecting objects with planes. So some students go deeper in this topic and decide to practice tasks on intersection of geometric solid bodies. Most man-made and many organic objects you see around you consist of different simple bodies, such as cuboids, cylinders, and spheres. Understanding how to draw such objects greatly helps in depicting whatever you see or imagine. This is when using constructive drawing principles becomes very helpful. Intersection of objects is just a small part of such constructive drawing, and students who take the Life Drawing Academy personal tutoring course learn a great deal of constructive drawing that is not taught at contemporary art colleges. In fact, I do not know any art institution that teaches in depth fine artists such a constructive approach as intersections, and the Life Drawing Academy correspondence course is the only place where you can learn all you need to know about this topic. When you know how to intersect objects, it is very easy to draw whatever you like from imagination, like, for example, these cylindrical objects, or even cut in half a Doric order capital as you see here. To find out what the Life Drawing Academy is about, check out its free video tutorials. It is lifedrawing.academy/free. Now it's time to demonstrate how to intersect triangular prisms. This topic is just one small part of many tasks on intersecting different objects with planes, as well as with each other. Thawan, a Life Drawing Academy student, took an interest in studying intersection, and because every correspondence course student gets a custom-tailored drawing curriculum, this subject is taught to Thawan extensively. He recently had troubles with intersecting triangular prisms, so I will show how to do it in this video. To begin with, let's draw two prisms with rectangular footprints. Students do such drawings in graphite pencil, which is easy to erase and fix mistakes. I will draw in pen and ink so every line will be definite and clearly visible. Here's one prism depicted in a two-point perspective. Now I will draw another prism on the same ground. It intersects the previous one. You can see that footprints cross each other in 2 points. I will circle these points. Now I will draw a projection of the top edge to the ground. This line goes through 2 points and is extended beyond the footprint. From the points where this line crosses the second prism, I draw 2 vertical lines upward. These lines cross the tilted plane in 2 points, which can be connected because they belong to the same plane. This virtual line crosses the vertical line depicted earlier. This cross point belongs to both prisms and can be used to build the first intersection line. I can highlight this line with a thicker stroke At the top, there is another important point. It can be connected with the point where two footprints cross each other. This line gives us another intersection point, and 2 points on the same plane can be connected with a thick intersection stroke. The third line that connects it with the ground point completes the intersection line. With the intersection lines in place, I can now make visible edges bolder and leave invisible lines as is. There are endless ways to arrange two prisms, so there are many more ways to build their intersections. But I hope that this demonstration was helpful and gives an idea what methods to use when solving such tasks. To make the cross-section more visible, I will now hatch shaded areas. This video was created to help one student to learn one small part of a huge subject of constructive drawing. At the same time, I believe many other viewers will find it inspirational and educational. If you want to get strong drawing skills, consider taking the Life Drawing Academy Correspondence course. In this course, you will get truly unique one-to-one personal tutoring that is not available anywhere else. Contemporary art colleges simply do not have such a drawing curriculum, and you won't find such information in books in English. This is not only the best personal tutoring course available today on the internet, but also the cheapest way to achieve the advanced level of drawing skills. To learn more about what this academy is about, check out its free video lessons at lifedrawing.academy/free. There are 2 courses at Life Drawing Academy. In the online course, you will learn how to draw portraits and figures by watching 52 video lessons. And in the correspondence course, in addition to videos, you will get unlimited personal tutoring, which suits students of all levels, including complete beginners.